RJTI charts versus It Has Started. Falling on Thorns. Another dagger in the market side. The real estate index. Maybe we should start with laughter. Jamie Dimon, president of J.P. Morgan Chase, and Larry Summers, economist and former United States of the Treasury, as reported on April the 9th, 2025, and over the last 7 days or so, says that we are headed toward a recession. Well, didn't we already tell this a year ago? We've managed to keep our eyes on the real estate index. And boy, has it been intriguing. You would think that the U.S. economy didn't need another thing to stick in its side as the markets continue to be challenged with the year's 2025 tariff wars. And yet, you need to understand that we just don't guess, but lean heavily on our algorithms to tell our story. Close your eyes and imagine one shaking their head from side to side with repugnance. You got it. That's our mind frame because it started in November 2024. Yes, 6 months ago. But we put this forth a little bit over a year ago. Our projection for the real estate index. Keep in mind, as of March, April 2025, FOMC Chairman Jerome Powell has indicated that they aren't quite ready to start lowering interest rates. But we continue to hold to our projection that at some point, even in the midst of Treasury yields to climb for a little while, we still maintain that a flight to quality is to unfold and the FOMC is to be forced to unleash actions with the lowering of interest rates at some point from our projected recession or global recession to come called from 1 to 2 years ago. Let's do a quick review. On March the 19th, 2024 at 8:49 a.m. Central Daylight Time, RJTI charts versus how would the stock market AI fever respond to this angle? The savior is the FOMC, and if they fumble like we think they are going to, opens the door for other things to negatively impact the stock market. The last thing we want is to see a recession coming from negative global pressures to unfold, and yet it is to come. We can't pinpoint a name for the Black Swan event that's earmarked for tomorrow, but what we have discovered, or should we say, continue to monitor, is our outlook for the real estate index. What are our algorithms saying? Just read the charts below. Our daily chart says, our daily signal offered that a 10 to 15% decline is coming. On our weekly, there's an 87% chance the yellow line will be tested, which is 840.59. Closes below the yellow line spells more trouble. On the monthly, well, this is a bright spot on a monthly aspect as trade tries to maintain year 2024 levels. But with short-term failures developing from the daily and weekly charts will impact the monthly negatively, causing this sector to slump more. On our quarterly, to further reduce slumping trade, the FOMC needs to cut interest rates to offset down the line more trouble. Our algorithms, especially our mama, is alarming. A sit up in the chair moment. Note, this is the first time since year 2008 our mama, our algorithm, has generated a sell signal. Are we on the brink of another similar major decline? Seems unfathomable at this stage, right? Our algorithms offer the door is opening against Wall Street's conventional wisdom. It has started and more trouble lies ahead. It has started and more trouble lies ahead. It has started and more trouble lies ahead. 1 year later, although the real estate index rallied after our assessment, we were able to get our sell signal near year's 2024 fourth quarter highs. As you can see on this chart, we got our sell signal November the 1st, 2024. Now, what is to come, which doesn't bode well for our U.S. economy? Here's what our algorithms say are targets, the colored lines. Based off of the grayish line, target 796.79, we're 100% sure that should trade. The purple line is 727.02, we're 100% that should trade also. 637.06 being the red line, we're 95% sure that could trade. The green line, 564.83, we're 89% sure that could trade. And the light blue line is only 64% that we believe that could trade, 442.66. Time will just have to reveal if we're right? I have some good news for you. There are many energy stocks that have developed a diamond in the rough opportunity, and we see them. Out of 248 energy stocks, at least half of them will be a buying opportunity at the appropriate time. So we will inform you of those when things look even prettier. We've stated our case for the real estate index. It's easy to see the trees that make up the forest, and it's even easier to see the forest that's made up of trees. But it's not so easy to see behind the forest. Get your ammo today. RJTICHARTS.com, driven by infinite wisdom and its proprietary trading systems.